Hi, this is DJ Dimaliwat. Welcome to my channel. And in my previous video, I talked about AIA Philippines' newest product called Income Assure 10. It's an endowment plan that gives guaranteed investment every single year. And if you watch that video, you might be wondering, is this actually better than Pag-ibig MP2? So this video, we will try to answer that, and let's compare both of them side by side, and probably you can help me decide, or you can let me know. You can leave in the comment section which one do you feel is better, which one is for you. So Income Assure 10, its main feature is that it gives you 5% returns of your money every single year. So it's guaranteed 5%, no more, no less. So hindi na bababa, hindi na rin siya tataas. Right? So, and it's a one-time single pay endowment plan, and then you will hold your money for 10 years with AIA Philippines, and then for the next 10 years, every year you get 5% per year. So 5% times 10, your money will be able to earn 50% total in the next 10 years. See, Pag-ibig MP2 on the other hand, you have two options. No? It's either one-time pay, one-time savings, or regular savings plan. You can, maghulog ka every single month, right? And then you will get the dividends per year. They call it dividends because it's not guaranteed magkano yung amount. So, depende kung kumita yung Pag-ibig fund, tsaka ka merong makukuha. So, there's a bit of risk there. Although, of course, ginagaranti naman nila na hindi malulugi yung pera mo. Right? But it's there for 5 years. 5 years lang yung program. Right? And if you can see, I made a study, I made a research about the returns of Pag-ibig's MP2 in the past 11 years, from 2011 to 2021. If you can see, it differs. No? Especially during 2011, medyo mababa yung returns niya. 4.63, 4.58, etc. May 5.34. And then it started to go a bit higher. About 2017, it reached its peak. Now that 8.11% yung annual return. So talagang malaki siya. But slowly, it's going down na ulit. No? So it went down every year. 2018, it's 7.41. 2019, 7.23. 2020, 6.12. And then 2021, 6%. So it means na, of course, now it's giving higher than Income Assure, but you cannot guarantee every single year magkano magiging return niya. So it's up to you, saan ka mas comfortable, a bit doon ka sa hindi sure pero pwedeng kumita ng mas malaki, or doon ka sa sure ka 5% for the next 10 years. Right? So sa Income Assure naman, sino yung mga pwedeng kumuha? Income Assure, anyone ages 18 to 99 years old can invest here. Sa Pag-ibig MP2, you must be an active Pag-ibig member. So let's say if you're not contributing in Pag-ibig, hindi ka naguhulog, let's say you're a business owner or a freelancer, hindi ka naguhulog, then you cannot avail of MP2. Right? So you should be an active Pag-ibig member with at least 1 month contribution in the last 6 months. So dapat nag-update ka. So technically this month, kung gusto mo mag-avail ng MP2, dapat maghulog ka ng isang buwan. Another feature of Income Assure 10 is that it gives guaranteed issue offers. So, meaning, as we all know, AIA Philippines is an insurance company. So, ang tanong, may sakit na ako, or probably, baka hindi na ako insurable. So, dito, anyone is insurable. Anyone can be, because this is more of an investment plan, an endowment plan. Right? So, it gives a guaranteed issue offer, even though may sakit, no medical exam required. Yun po yung requirement niya dito. So, yun yung maganda. Now, so, basta nga 18 to 99. Now, who can be insured should be 0 to age 65. So, meaning if you're 66 and above, you can avail, pero dapat ka mag-elect ng somebody to be the insured. Let's say, anak mo or apo mo. No, sila yung insured if you're 66 and above, because we cannot insure you anymore. But you can still be the owner. So, yung pa rin mapupunta yung returns. And talking about minimum investment of Income Assure is one time lang, 250,000. So this is for people who have savings. Instead of natutulog sa bangko, ilagay mo na lang siya kay Income Assure. May returns ka na 5% every year for the next 10 years. Insured ka pa. No, so later we'll talk about the insurance of that. Right? So sa Pag-ibig MP2, minimum investment is just 500 pesos, but you should be paying it on a monthly basis, so 6,000 in a year. Right? So mababa yung starting niya. It's really for people who want to build that habit of savings. Pwede ka rin mag one-time pay kay Pag-ibig MP2, diba? So depende, tapos yun yung papalakihin mo, papakitain mo the next 5 years. Right? So one major feature of Income Assure 10 is the guaranteed life insurance coverage. It insures you 125% of your money. Meaning, if you have 1 million pesos in Income Assure, that money becomes 1.25 million. No, meron kang insurance na 125% of your original amount. In case of death of the insured, makukuha ng family mo yung 125% of the money. So 1 million becomes 1.25 million. Bukod pa dun sa mga nakuha mo ng dividends or returns the past few years, no? Yun. So, si Pag-ibig, what happens, no? So, I made a bit of research. What happens to Pag-ibig MP2, say, when the insured dies or when the owner dies, the investor dies. So, basically, papasok siya dun sa pre-termination clause. So, parang na-terminate na yung contract, hindi mo natapos yung 5 years. Sa Pag-ibig, it's 5 years. So, hindi mo natapos yung 5 years, it will now follow yung pre-termination clause niya. So, may two ways, no? Kung one-time savings yung sa Pag-ibig mo, so let's say naglagay ka ng 100,000 or 1 million, so makukuha mo yung buong 1 million less 50% of the dividends that are released to you. So kunyari nakapag-release na ng let's say na lang 50,000 per year, naka 2 years na, so 100,000, no? So 100,000 yung na-release sa'yo, may 1 million ka na pera, ibabawas yung 50% ng 100,000. So, 950 na lang. Right? Kung naka-regular savings ka naman, makukuha mo yung principal mo sa na MP2, let's say nakahulog ka ng 5,000 a month. For 1 year, that's 60,000. For 2 years, that's 120,000. So, makukuha mo yung buong 120,000. Tapos, plus, i-add yung tubo mo, no? Pero 50% lang nun. So, instead na yung buong kinita, 50% lang nun. So, parang yun yung pre-termination kasi hindi mo natapos yung 5 years mo. Pero at least wala ka ring lugi for that. Right? So, yun yung, if you will ask about pre-termination, comparing Income Assure and Pag-ibig MP2, yun yung sa Pag-ibig MP2. Right? Those two things that I mentioned earlier. Sa Income Assure naman, ito lang yung only catch or parang only lugi mo kung mag-pre-terminate ka. Di ba? Wala kang lugi sa Income Assure, pero pag nag-pre-terminate ka, may possible kang lugi. No? So I'll be sharing with you this table, the illustration of benefits. So para mas simple and mas madali i-compute, I used 1 million single premium. So it means that if you invest 1 million pesos, your money will be insured 125% of your initial premium, or it will be 1.25 million. So you will be insured 1.25 million in case of death of the insured, makukuha ng beneficiaries yung 1.25 million. Now, ang returns natin, as we all know, 5% a year. So, sa 5% a year, 50,000 yun per year na returns, no, ng 1 million mo. So, every year you get 50,000. Since we're talking about pre-termination, so kapag pinre-terminate mo yung pera mo, sa first 2 years, doon lugi ka. No? Kasi makukuha mo lang, let's say, naka 1 year pa lang, naka 50,000 ka pa lang na nakuha, na payout, and then pag nag-pre-terminate ka, 835,000 na lang yung makukuha mo na pera. No? So pag tinotal mo yun, 885. But based on study, and if you can see here in the table, after 3 years, naka 3 times ka na 50,000, so 150,000. Tapos, ang mawi-withdraw mo na cash value is 856,000. So, bumalik lang yung 1 million mo in total. So, meaning after 3 years, nag-break even ka na talaga dito. Beyond 3 years, kahit nga mag-pre-terminate ka, kumita na yung pera mo. Of course, you don't want to do that kasi mawawala lahat ng privileges. Wala ka ng magiging maturity benefit or payout every single year. No, so nilagay mo talaga yung pera mo dito to really invest. No? But kung titignan mo lang, there's a pre-termination para at least clear and black and white, dito ka lang meron lugi if you will withdraw it before maturity. So don't withdraw it before maturity. Okay? So, again, the main benefit of Income Assure is that, let's say, naka-8 taon ka na, nakakakuha ka ng 50,000 a year, and then namatay yung insured. So, bukod dun sa nakuha mong 5% for so many years, hindi mo na ibabalik yun, hindi na rin kukunin yung 50% of that. In fact, if in case the insured dies, you even get 125% of the original money. So parang naging 125% na yung pera mo, bukod pa dun sa mga na-withdraw na returns over the past few years. So that's the difference. Ikaw, let me know, for you, which one is better? Is it Income Assure 10 or Pag-ibig MP2? Which one will be better for you? Kung ikaw yung pipili, saan ka mas gusto mo mag-invest? Diba? Mas maganda ba sa'yo yung Income Assure 10 or Pag-ibig MP2? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts and ano yung mas feel mo na kuhanin for yourself. And if you have questions about this product, if you're interested about Income Assure, send me a message in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Dimaliwat or facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official. Kung may mga tanong ka about this investment or about this endowment plan, I will be glad to assist you. So that's it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section which one is better. So this is DJ Dimaliwat. See you in my next video.